Konnichiwa, my royal queens and king. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. Anyways, today's video believes gonna be day hold on. I think it's gonna be day 16. I'm not for sure. I got a video coming out. Yeah, so in today's video, I am going to be doing my wall tree. This is my 3rd year doing it, and every single time I do it, it never comes out like I imagine in my head. I don't know what to do. I need to watch the person who originally did this video because, well, she did it in the short, so she's not really showing you how she did the fucking video. I mean, how she did the fucking tree. So I'm just like winging it every single year. I think next year I will have probably do it better. I'm gonna try my best to do it better next year. But anyways, you guys, this is the video. I'm not gonna really talk through it. I'm just gonna let you watch me do it. But you will need over 250 thumbtacks. You're gonna need some LED lights. I had got 2 boxes of, I think it's 250 lights, which is way too much. But you know, the first time I did it, oh my god, I went to the store like back to back to back. And these little wreath thingies, I got 7 of those. I did use them the first time I did this tree. I did use all of them. But every year I use less and less. So this year I used 5 of those little wreaths. And I had to cut it. So I guess it depends on how long and how wide you want your tree. I'm going to have to do a little bit better next year. So I won't have to do all this extra stuff that I'm doing right now. Going back and forth with the refilling in spaces. I hate the wall space showing, like it's just like exposing my tree. Even though you get a real tree, it ain't all perfect, but you can make it be perfect. It's a wall tree, bro. It's a wall tree. So anyways, I did this tree by myself, nobody's help, and I had took my pain pills before and I still was hurting. I'm old. But anyways, I want y'all to enjoy the music and tell me what you think about the tree. And yeah, that's it. I really wanted to buy another tree, people. I mean, I really wanted to buy a tree. I did not want to do this wall tree because there's a lot of work and it never comes out right. Just the FYI, but I chose to go ahead and do the wall tree because I have all the stuff already. Might as well just do the wall tree, and this will make for a nice video. So thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider it, and if you are already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.